Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, here going to show you how to join tournaments in Fortnite. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So for you to look for tournaments on Fortnite, what we need to do is we need to go to the compete tab. So typically it's going to be at the top section here. So whenever you click on it, you should be able to see different competitions or tournaments that is currently available. In this case, you should be able to see the date for that certain competition or tournament. In this case, you just need to look out for that specific tournament. In this case, there's going to be specific dates on it, so it might not be available during those days. But in this case, what we need to do, for example, we have the Battle Royale Mix Up Monday. So in this case, it is actually available every Mondays. In this case, for you to join this one, what you need to do is you just need to go to the Play tab here, scroll down a bit until you see the section for the Buy Epic. So in this case, it might be at the very bottom here, but typically it's going to be at the very top section here. So it says Buy Epic. In this case, if the tournament is available, you should be able to see the name of that specific tournament in this section here. Now, by the way, if you don't see the compete tab here, you could go ahead and choose whatever game here. So for example, if the compete tab is not appearing, just click on that specific game and just click on select here, and you should be able to see it. Now in this case, what we need to do is, in this case, just select the tournament or the competition that you want to join, and from here just click on the play button that you see there, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.